Welcome back to another Infinite Tutorial Warrior. Today I'm going to be diving into the main menu option, transformations. So in order to get to the main menu, you have to go to infiniterpg.com and either register or log in to bronze tier. Once you are on the main menu, you can then access transformations. What is transformations? Why should you go over here? Well, it houses the infinite warrior stories of the warriors that have been through adventures through Infinite, have transformed their lives, and have achieved incredible results. And it's a great way to just learn about other warriors' experiences, what the struggles they were going through, and how they were able to solve these struggles, and what their life is like now after going through adventures, getting certified and earning certifications, and how they're continuing their adventures through Infinite. So let's dive straight in. We'll start by selecting transformations. As you can see, we landed on the transformations page. Now, to note, Infinite certified warriors that have successfully fulfilled the requirements within the Mentorship, Academy, or Gauntlet adventure modes to earn an Infinite certification. So these are all of the warriors that have earned Infinite certified warriors. And it's broken down by class, starting with the dwarves. And we break down what the dwarf class is and what they specialize in. And as you can see the warriors who've completed dwarf training, and the academy houses the dwarf class. So if you are thinking about joining the academy adventure, this is a great place to kind of look at the stories of some of these warriors that have been through the academy. For example, Dwarf Warrior Aaron, who completed the rank 1 Fat Burning Academy. You can actually dive into a video of me actually interviewing her after she completed the Warrior Fat Burning Academy, earning an Infinite Warrior certification with her progress and results throughout her adventure. So you could dive into that or the other warriors and their stories. There's also the orcs as well, and I'm just going to go over the different classes real quick. So you have the dwarves, you have the orcs, you have the barbarians, you have the elves, you have the Olympians, you have the ninjas, which is now the rogues, you'll have the Spartans, and then you also at the bottom have all of the other warriors here that might not have shared their story directly, but have achieved certifications through Infinite. So those are all the classes, and as you can see, so many amazing transformations, amazing physiques, and beautiful faces. Feel free to dive into each one of these different classes. The orcs, if your avatar is, or your class is an orc, feel free to dive in. If it's a barbarian, you can dive into the stories of the barbarians, and you can just dive into each one of these transformational stories. For example, like Warrior Nilesh here, right? You can dive into videos and whatever he wanted to provide to really showcase his journey and his experience. So you could also look into what they did, right? Which adventure mode that they did in order to achieve these results as well. We do provide that information, but this is one of just the best places to just learn about the other warriors, learn about the other community members that are part of Infinite, and also get motivated and inspired to achieve these results that they were able to achieve, because it's not only about aesthetics, right? It's not only about how people look. It's truly how people have transformed their minds, their bodies and their spirit by going through each one of these experiences that they've went through our adventure modes. So if this is something that motivates you, inspires you, then I highly recommend diving into each one of these classes and reading these stories to set up for your transformation journey so that you can be one of these infinite certified warriors. And of course, if you do want to become an infinite certified warrior, the way that you can unlock an infinite certification, which comes with a number of perks, is by number one, joining or subscribing or investing in one of our adventure game modes that are pay to play, right? And not only completing the adventure in full, but also achieving incredible results in your journey of overcoming challenges, making progress, learning new things, and becoming the better version of yourself. And by doing that, you can earn an infinite certification where you can be in the halls of the legendary warriors of Infinite that have transformed their lives. So that's the transformation area of Infinite. I'll see you at the next tutorial, warrior. Enjoy.